Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for CLHVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a review of a 30,000 mAh solar power bank, wireless solar power bank from a company called CarPo or CarPo. It's spelled C-A-R-P-O. All right. Before we get started, before I give you any specs on this and everything, just gonna let you know that hey, I'm not an expert in all this. I'm just a guy that loves tech. All right, I'm a consumer just like you guys. All right, now we got all that out of the way. Let me go ahead and tell you some of these specs on here. Like I say, it's a 30,000 mAh solar power bank. It's supposed to have quick charge. I'm trying to check it out. I'm reading right here off the website. Let's see here. 30,000 mAh. High quality battery which could charge most of the devices at one time. Let's see here. Also, it's waterproof. It's got a super bright 30 LED light on it, and it's also a charging stand, so it doubles as a charging stand. But I'm gonna show you when we unbox it and everything. It has let's see here, solar power on there, and it has a Type C charging port, 5 volt, 3 amp. So it's not the wireless part is not going to be fast charge. It's just going to be slow charge, but it is capable of doing fast charge. All right, let's go ahead and just get this thing out of the box. Let's go ahead and take this over to the overhead cam, and so we can go ahead and unbox it and see what we get in the box. All right. Okay, back on the table. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got in the box. Before that, take a look at the box. This is a plain box. It's got the name on it, CarPo, solar power bank, 30,000 mAh, dual coil, wireless charging, mobile phone holder design. All right, nothing else. Plain simple box. Let's open this bad boy up. See what we got in the box. Uh-oh, I'm knocking things over. Let's see here. Take this bad boy out. Take it out of the plastic. Set the device to the side. Got an instruction booklet. We'll put that off to the side. And let's see what else is in the box. Looks like we got some little accessories. What's in here? Oh, okay. Comes with a carabiner and a micro USB. Womp womp womp. Beggars can't be choosy. All right, let's go ahead and take this out. Throw away the box. Get you a little close up and see what it looks like. This is the wireless charging pad, power button. The solar panel, as you can see, we got a little juice in there. It's got this, like it's about 75%. And did you see that light come on? That's the indicator letting you know that it's charging. So from the LED lights, it's getting some juice from the LED lights. All right. Nice quality design. Heavy. Built real tough too. I mean, I would, I would be confident having this outside and taking it camping, not worrying about anything happening to it. Alright, it's got a little hook on here where you would put your carabiner. Let's go ahead and put this carabiner on here. I can get it on. Alright, you can hang it on something. Alright, and I think it's it weighs like 1.6 ounces or something like that. Don't quote me on that. Just click on the link and you'll get more information on it. Alright, and this is right here is the kind of the star of the show. Let's see, this is the kind of the stand feature. See this back here, pull this out right there, and you set it down like so. Alright, one more thing before we go to the table. Gotta check to show you the ports so you can get a close-up on the ports. USB charging slots, you got the C and micro USB right here, so you can charge with either or. So this is going to be your fast charge, then you got the slow micro USB, then power up, and then you got the other slots right here. See, any more slots on here? Nah. That's about it. Alright, and the power button. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it to the desk and see how this thing works. Hold tight. Alright, we're back at the desk. Alright, let's go ahead and check out a few of these features on this bad boy and see how it works. So the first feature we're going to check out is the lights. So what I'm going to do is turn the lights off in the studio and see how this light feature works. Okay, now that we got the lights off, let's check out the light feature. Here's a power button, 2 clicks, turn it on to bright, 1 click to dim it, 3rd click is SOS, 4th click brings it back to the first mode to the bright. And this thing is pretty bright. It's pretty bright. It's lighting up the desk, so this will come in handy if you're out there camping. Let's go ahead and turn that bad boy off, and let's get to the feature that really caught my eye to go ahead and get this bad boy. Let me turn on the lights in the studio. Now that we got the lights turned back on, let's go ahead and test the wireless features. Make sure you turn it on. Got it up here. Let's go ahead and put this old note on here and see what it does. Make sure it's in the sweet spot. That's the one thing about these wireless chargers. You got to make sure that you get them in the sweet spot. It's like sometimes it's a hit or miss. Make sure I didn't have, okay, it was blinking for some reason. Put it back on. Hopefully it's in the sweet spot. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. It's charging. 3 1000. It's charging. Like I said, with wireless chargers, it's like a hit or miss. You know, not all of them, you know, you get it on the first try. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see see if it'll charge these other devices at the same time. So I got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the OG Samsung Buds. Alright, I know you can charge the Samsung Buds wirelessly, but for the sake of the video, I just want to go ahead and see if it'll charge all 3 of these devices at one time. So it's supposed to charge more, but you know, this is what all I can get at a short notice right here to go ahead and knock out this video. So I'm going to plug these in the OG Buds. Go ahead and plug them in. Make sure I got it in the right port. Got it. Now I got a fast charging cable or USB-C fast charging cable, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right here. As you can see, this is the C. Alright, plug the other end. Now this one should be fast charging. Plug the other end into the Note 20 Ultra, and well, bam, fast charging. Fast charging. So it's charging all 3 of these devices at one time. One wirelessly, as you can see the red light on. OG Buds charging as well. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. It charges all these at once, you know. Now, far as how long will it take to charge it up, I'm looking at on the website here on Amazon. It's saying fast charging test on the iPhone 12 Pro is saying it takes 12 minutes to charge up to charge it 20%, up to 20%, and 40 minutes to charge it up to 60%, 55 minutes to charge it up to 80%, and 1 hour and 20 minutes to charge it to 100%. And that's the iPhone 12 Pro. So, you know, that's the only examples they give me here on the website. So, whether it's true or not, you have to check it out for yourself and see if it works. But like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. Like I said, I'm not no expert at all this. I'm just a guy that loves tech. I'm a consumer like you guys. Just want to show you some things that I picked up, and then so you can go ahead and check them out, get them if you want to. If you don't, so be it. All right. This is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And I appreciate you guys taking out time to watch the video. Like I said, when you hit that subscribe and the like button, it really, really helps the channel. So, you know, in order for me to bring more content, all right? All right, appreciate it. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. And the message for today is, when you're trying to be successful, make sure you put your all into everything you do, all right? If you want to be successful, put your all into everything that you do, and then you'll be successful, all right? That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.